Today we're going to show you how to change the O-ring in your Fieldpiece valve core removal tool. No matter if you have the VC1, VC1G, or VC2G model, this process works for all Fieldpiece VCRT tools. First up, here's what you'll need. The Fieldpiece RVCG 10 O-ring kit, which includes 10 O-rings that fit both 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch fittings. A non-marring tool such as a plastic pry tool. And of course, your Fieldpiece valve core removal tool. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove the capture rod from your tool. This gives you access to the O-ring inside the fitting. Next, use your non-marring tool to remove the old O-ring from the fitting. With the old O-ring out, grab a new one from your RVCG10 kit. Begin by pressing the O-ring into the groove. Then, to protect both the O-ring and the fitting, use your non-marring tool to press the O-ring fully into place. Make sure it's snug and seated all the way around. Once it's fully seated, reinstall your capture rod. And just like that, you're done. Regularly changing the O-ring is an easy way to keep your Fieldpiece VCRT working at its best, maintaining a tight seal and top performance every time you use it. Thanks for watching, and happy servicing.